Topic 28. My favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is mango because it is sweet, juicy, and very delicious. I enjoy eating mangoes, especially when they are fresh and ripe. The bright yellow color and wonderful smell make me feel happy every time I see one. Mangoes grow in many places, and they are very popular in my country. During mango season, I can buy them easily in the market. My family often buys fresh mangoes, and we enjoy eating them together at home. Sometimes my mother cuts the mango into small pieces and serves it cold. It tastes even better on a hot day. I like mangoes because they are not only tasty but also healthy. They contain vitamins that are good for the body. Eating fruit helps me stay healthy, strong, and active. I believe fruits are better than too many snacks or sugary foods. There are many ways to enjoy mangoes. I eat them fresh, make mango juice, or add them to fruit salad. Sometimes I enjoy mango smoothies because they are cold and refreshing. Every form of mango is delicious to me. When I eat mangoes, I feel refreshed and satisfied. It is one of the best parts of summer for me. I always look forward to mango season every year. I also like sharing mangoes with my family and friends. Eating together makes the fruit taste even better because we can enjoy the moment together. My favorite fruit is simple, natural, and full of goodness. Mangoes bring me happiness, health, and sweet memories. That is why mango is my favorite fruit.